Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening. Hi. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. My name is Teacher Jessa. Okay? I am Teacher Jessa. Okay? What's my name? Teacher?
My name is Elaine.
Oh, your name is? What's your name?
My name is Lynn.
Lynn. Okay. I will call you Lynn. Okay?
Yes.
Good. All right. So, the QC said that this is your first time having foreign teacher, like me, Filipino teacher. Your first time, right? Your first time. Okay. Now here, Lynn, if teacher speak fast, okay? If I speak fast, you tell me to slow down. Okay? Teacher, slow down. I don't understand. Okay? You can tell
Okay.
that. So teacher will slow down and you will understand. Okay?
Yes.
Good job. Okay. So Lynn, since today is our first day, we are going to have this lesson, okay? In your profile, we are going to do this. Let me share the screen so you can see, okay? All
Okay.
right. Lynn, can you see the screen? Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. What
Yes.
is Unit 10 all about?
Mm,
Can you please?
our families.
Very good. Okay, good job. Our lesson for today is about our families. Do you know family? You know family?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Good job. Now here, Lynn, I have
Mother.
here vocabulary words. What's the first word? What's this? This is
Mother.
mother. This one,
Family.
family. How many people are in the family? Please count. How many in the family?
Is 10.
10.
Is
1. It's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. There are 10 people in the family. Okay,
Family.
good job. This one, Lynn. What's this, Lynn? This is
father.
father. Very good. So I like the way you pronounce. It's good. So we have mother, family, father. Okay? Understand these
Okay.
words? You know these words? You know this?
Yes.
Good.
Father.
Very good. Next, Lynn, I have another one. What's this?
Brother.
Very good. Brother. Second,
Cousin.
Cousin.
cousin. Correct. Lynn, do you know what is cousin?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have cousin?
Mm, yes.
Yes. How many cousins do you have?
Is many cousin.
Many cousins. Wow. Big family because many cousins. Next, Lynn, what's the third word we have?
Sister.
Very good. Sister.
Sister.
So we have brother, cousin, sister. Easy words. Next, Lynn, what's this?
Grandfather.
Grandfather. Do you know what is grandfather?
Yes.
You know? Good.
Grandfather.
This one.
Is parents.
Parents.
Parent.
Yeah, your mom and your dad are your parents. Okay? What's this?
Grandmother.
Very good, Lynn. This is
Grandmother.
grandmother. So we have grandfather, parents, grandmother. They are family. Okay? They are parts of the family. Next, what's this? This is
Animal.
animals. Okay. Lynn, what's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
Mm. It's eight.
It's cats. You love cats? What's your favorite animal, Lynn? Do you love dog? You love cat? You love bird, rabbit? What animal do you like? I like
It's dog.
duck. Wow, you
I
like
like
duck?
dog.
Oh, duck, so cute. Okay, very good.
Animal.
Lynn, what's this, Lynn? This is a
This a donkey.
Donkey.
Correct. And this word, what is this? This is
This-
a
A pet.
pet. Okay, very good. Lynn, do you have pet in the house?
No.
No. Okay, but before, have you tried having a pet? You tried?
No.
No too. Okay. Oh. Okay, maybe pet is not allowed in the house or in your place. That's why you don't have. Next, Lynn. What's this, Lynn? This is
It's a garden.
garden. Correct. Do you have garden in the house?
Yes.
Yes. What is in the garden? Can you share to teacher? What can you see in your garden? What are the plants? Is there tomato? Are there flowers? What's in your garden?
Mm.
Is there flowers in your garden? Do you have
Yes.
flowers?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, what a beautiful garden. Flowers.
Garden.
This one. What is this, Lynn? This is a
Street.
street. Very good. It's a street.
Street.
This one. What is this?
Flat.
Flat. Okay, correct.
Flat.
Okay, Lynn. Here, a flat. You know what is a flat? Do you know this one? Flat or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Lynn, do you live in a flat?
No.
No. Okay. You don't live in a flat. Okay, Lynn, I have here vocabulary words. Okay. Lynn, could you please read? What is this? This is
Mother.
mother. Okay, correct. Our mother, sometimes we call them mom
Mom.
and
Mommy.
mommy. Okay, Lynn, what do you call to your mom? Your mommy.
Mm.
Do you say mommy to your mom?
Mm. Mom.
Mom. Okay, correct. It's okay. This one, Lynn, what's this?
Father.
Father. Oh, sometimes we call our father
Dad.
dad or
Daddy.
daddy. Correct. Now here, Lynn, our mother and father, if they are together, we call them
Hello.
parents. Okay. Mother, father, they are our parents. Okay, next, Lynn. If our grandmother and grandfather, what do you call them? They are
Grandparents.
grandparents. Correct. Okay, easy words, right? Is it easy? The words? Easy?
Mm. Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right, Lynn. So I have here. Wait me. Teacher will share. Okay. Now, Lynn, we have grammar. Okay. Let's learn grammar. We have here this one. Could you please read? What is this? This is? This
This is
is. Okay. How about this one? What is this? These
These are.
are. Very good. Lynn, if we say this, it means it is used for singular noun. Example, only one. Oh, we say this if it's only one. We say these if it is two or many. Okay? Two or many. Example, Lynn, I have this one. What is this? What is
Yes.
teacher holding? What's this? This is? What's this?
This is four.
Phone. How many phone do I have? How many? One or many?
One.
One. Very good. If it's one, Lynn, what do we say? This is or these are?
This.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Since teacher is holding one phone, we say this is a phone. Again,
This is a phone.
very good. Lynn, do you have pencils with you? You have pencils there or no?
Yes.
No? You have pencils? Wait, teacher is having this one. Oh. Okay, I have here this one, Lynn. What's this? Sorry. What is this?
This.
It's an umbrella. What is this?
Umbrella.
Yeah. How many umbrella do I have? How many?
This. One.
One. So what will teacher say? This is an umbrella or these are umbrella? What do you say? This is an umbrella or these are umbrella?
This.
Yes. This
This.
This is?
This.
Okay. This is because my umbrella is only one. If I have many, I say these are. Example in this one. How many apples?
This one apple.
Oh, you say this is an apple. Again. This
This
is
is an apple.
very good. Now this one, Lynn, how many apples do I have? How many?
This. Two apples.
Two apples, correct. So what do you say? These are
This. Two apples.
very good. Okay, great work, Lynn. You know how to use this is and this are. Great work. Very good, Lynn. Do you understand? This is and this are. Understand? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay, good job, Lynn. Now here, I have here starter's tip, okay? There are nearly always questions about families in starters. You should practice talking about your own family, your names, ages, number of brothers, sisters, and cousins. Now this one, Lynn, it says here that teacher will be asking questions about your family, okay? I will ask you about family, your family, Lynn's family later, okay? So here we go, Lynn. Now here I have this one. Okay. Okay, Lynn, could you please read? Do you know how to read? You know how to read? Can you read or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Lynn, please read. My name's Sam. Go.
My name's Sam. I live in a big house with my mom and dad, and my 3 sisters and 2 brothers. My grandpas and grandmas live in the small blue house next to us. We are love animals. We've got a donkey. My name's in Mango.
Its name.
Its name's in Mango. Our dog name's is Chocolate, and he lays and sleeps in our garden. My grandparents have got a cat and their 3 fish. The cat's name is Lucky, but I don't know the names of the fish.
Very good, Lynn. Very good. You know how to read. Good job. Okay. Great work, Lynn. Now, Lynn, I have here a question. Lynn, I have here this boy. Okay. Now, Lynn, what is the name of the boy?
It's Sam.
Very good. Great work. It's Sam. The name of the boy is Sam. Here, Lynn, write. Do you know how to write on the screen? Can you draw on the screen? In the computer? You know how to draw? Like this, like teacher, oh. You know like this? You know how to make like this? Yes or no?
No.
No, okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now, Lynn, I want you to tell me the family words. Example, mom is part of the family. Lynn, what are other names of the family that we have here? We have number 1, mom is found in the family. Who else? Who else? Parts of the family, members of the family. We have mom. Who else?
And dad.
Very good. Dad, correct. One more, Lynn. What else? Who else are part of the family? Mom, dad.
Citra.
Very good. Sister is correct. Who else?
Brothers.
Brothers, correct. Who else?
Grandpas.
Grandpa, correct. Who else?
Grandma.
Very good, Lynn. These are the names of parts of the family. Great work, Lynn. You know the names of the parts of the family. So we have mom, we have dad, sister, brother, grandpa, grandma. And we also have here, what's this?
Grandparents.
Okay, grandparents. Very good, Lynn. Now, Lynn, I have here Sam. Okay, Lynn, it says here in the house of Sam, mom and dad are there. Sam got how many sisters? How many sisters?
It's 3 sisters.
Okay, he got 3 sisters. How about brothers? How many brothers?
2 brothers.
Okay, 2 brothers and grandma and grandpa. Now, Lynn, here, which one here is the picture of Sam's family? Is picture 1 Sam's family? Is picture 2 Sam's family? Or picture 3 is Sam's family? Which one is Sam's family? It's
Is bitter too.
very good. Let's check. It's wow. Very good, Lynn. It is picture 2. Okay, very good, Lynn. Picture 2 is Sam's family. Great work. Okay, now here. So in the picture, Lynn, this boy here is Sam. Okay? Okay, the boy wearing the green t-shirt is Sam. Here. Lynn, who is wearing the red t-shirt? Look at the picture. Who is wearing red t-shirt? Is it Sam's brother or Sam's sister or Sam's mother? Who is that?
Sam's sister.
Sam's sister. Very good. It is Sam's sister. Next, Lynn. What color is Sam's t-shirt?
Is red.
Okay, it's green and red. Correct. Now here, Lynn. Here, Lynn. Which people are wearing glasses? Who's wearing glasses in the picture? Who's wearing the glasses? Is it brother who's wearing the glasses? You know glasses? This one in the eyes. Who's wearing eyeglasses?
Is Sam's brother's sister and grandma.
Very good. Look at here, Lynn. Who's wearing the glasses? It is the two sisters of Sam. Sam's mother, and Sam's grandmother. Correct. Now here, Lynn, who's got the white hair? In the picture, who's got the white hair?
And grandfather.
Okay, great work. It is Sam's grandfather. Now, Lynn, here in the picture, which people are wearing jacket? Who's wearing the jacket?
Sam's father.
Okay, Sam's father. Okay, it's not the father, but it's the grandma and grandpa. Okay, it's okay. But because the father looks like wearing jacket too, right? Looks like wearing jacket too. Okay, that's why it's good. Now here, Lynn, who's wearing the white shoes? Look at the picture.
It's Sam.
It's Sam. Correct. And last question, Lynn, number 7. Who's wearing the red and white shoes?
It's Sam's sister.
Sam's sister. Very good. Good job, Lynn. Great work. You understand the question and you were able to give answer. Great work. Very good, Lynn. Okay, Lynn, here. Before we go here, could you enter again to the Zoom because my Zoom is about to close? You enter again. Okay? My Zoom will close. You enter again, okay? I'll be out for 3 seconds. Enter again.